happy birthday, Kylie. Yan. This gift symbolizes positivity and light. So, always spread good vibes lang. And again, happy birthday.
Nakilala lang kita nung high school sa nung kay Tito April. Itong gift ko na to nag-symbolize na naalala mo ko bilang kuya mo. Kahit in a short span of time lamang.
So, sabi lang, ganda-ganda mo. Hindi ako updated na ganyan dapat eh. Ang gift ko sa'yo as a sign of my care bilang kaibigan mo.
Well, this is a personal canvas to represent your inner self para swag lagi. And happy birthday, Kai!
Birthday kay Lynn. Kahit na sobrang tagal natin hindi nagkita, hindi ko pa rin nakakalimot. Sana i-bless ka pa lalo ni God and sana maabot mo yung pangarap mo maging flight attendant.
Eileen, happy birthday, love. The gift that I have for you, you will embrace how stunning and how confident lady you are. Again, happy 18th birthday, love.
Happy birthday. I wish you all the best things in life. It is just simple, something that makes you feel comfortable when you use it. Keep safe and God bless.
This gift is a set of lipstick. Welcome to the world filled with fun and occupied with adults. May all your dreams and fantasies come true. Andito lang ang kuya mo kahit taga-suporta at taga-alalay sa'yo. Alam mo naman yan, di ba? Kahit tanghaling tapat, andito kami ni Tita Michael mo na nag-assist sa'yo.
Good evening, Kylie. You're so gorgeous tonight. My thoughts to you by saying this saying. Yeah. Darkness cannot drive out darkness. Only light can do that. So, you have the hint now what my gift is all about. So I must say that my simple gift is just like you, our gorgeous debutante, for it reflects light and it radiates positivity. This gift serves as a guide during your darkest hours.
Ako sa mga nauna sa akin, pero wag akainin, pinaghandaan ko talaga to. Matatapos tayo dito bukas.
Ayan, napakahaba ng message ni Mr. Julian Acorda. Kakanta pa yan mamaya.
Kylie, huwag choy la. Chichiribok ko ila ang chikik. Ik. Joke. Hindi talaga. Ito talaga seryoso. Happy birthday. This gift, it symbolizes your future. It symbolizes your future and the world. Whenever you will go outside, always use this as you keep your favorite things. Happy birthday, Kai.
Happy birthday, my dear Kylie. This gift of mine would serve as your way of expressing yourself and writing all your experience during ups and downs in life. So that we are always here for you both as a cohort and a sibling. Seize this moment. Again, happy birthday, baby.
Birthday. Ayoko umiyak. Now and then, you're very glad dahil I-celebrate ang birthday mo, nagdebo ka. So, happy birthday, Vicky. Always here, always support you, and saan ka man mapunta, always nandito lang ako, nakasupport ako, and happy birthday.
So on behalf of my sister, this is from her and this is from Stephanie. So it is a symbol of wealth because it carries money. So later, after ng debut mo, ilalagay mo dito yung 18 bills. So alam mo na kung ano ito. And this one naman after mo nilagay yung 18 bills, ilalagay mo naman itong gift dito sa loob. So alam mo na din kung ano yun. So this gift will give you luck and abundant blessings. So God bless you and I love you.
Hello, Kylene. This gift is a perfume. It symbolizes, it is a manifestation that you are so lovely, you're so beautiful. But mawawala man ang laman nitong perfume na ito. Our love for you will be forever. Happy debut.
Happy debut. We wish you good health with your family, with your dad, mom, and Jacob, and of course, your loved ones.